Okay, it is Sunday, May 22nd, 2022. I'm here in Federal Way, Washington, and I'm showing off the Sony handheld camcorder, DCR-TRV820 NTCS, or SC. As you can see, it is charging. It is on. A cassette just came out of the port here. It happened automatically when I plugged it in. I can't tell for sure that the battery is working, but it is up to 13 now, so it is going up in minutes. And in a moment, I'll try and disconnect it and see if that still keeps it, if it stays on. As you can see, it's plugged in. This is the factory charger that came with the model here originally. I have a small memory card that will be going with it, as well as this tricolor cord, and this, I believe this is like a transfer cord of some sort. Okay, now I'm turning the camcorder on. Hard to do with one hand. Showing on the Sony Camcorder that the mechanism does work, that opens and closes the door. So I'm just going to pinch this closed.